Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to install Anaconda for our Windows system. First of all, go to the site anaconda.com/distributions. The link has been shared in the text section. When you scroll down, you will see two options for Python on Windows, Python 3.7 and Python 2.7. In this course, we'll be using Python 3, so let's go ahead with that. Here we have two choices, 64-bit and 32-bit installers. Depending on your system, you can make a selection. I'll go for the 64-bit graphic installer here. When you click this link, the download will begin. The download might take some time. Once the download is finished, you will see the file in your downloads section. Double-click that file and a new window will open. Here, click Next. Then to accept the license agreement, click I agree. It will ask you if you want to install for just the user or for all the users on the system. I'll go for just this particular user. Now you can set the path for the destination folder and the name. So after that, click Next. Here you have two options to add Anaconda paths and to register Anaconda for default Python 3.7. I'll preferably untick both these options and click Install. The installation has started. This will take some time. Once the installation is complete, you can click Next. You can skip the installation for Microsoft VS Code and click Finish. So to see if we have successfully installed, go to Start menu and type Jupyter. You'll see the Jupyter Notebook option. Click on that. The Jupyter Notebook homepage will open. Now to create a new Python file, you have to click New, Python 3, and here it is. So you can start working on that. Thank you.